Here, we will discuss how to use the tummy trimmer or abdominal belt 8 inches. The tummy trimmer is available in these sizes. Measure the circumference around the navel. Now let us see how to wear the tummy trimmer or abdominal belt 8 inches. The belt is wrapped around the waist, keeping it upright and in correct position as per directions of up inside label. Lower edge of the belt should coincide with the base of the spine. Apply hook tape to the loop tape to a comfortable compression. Now let us see how to remove the tummy trimmer or abdominal belt 8 inches. The product can be easily removed by unfastening the loop tape. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more info, log on to www.tynorindia.com.